Um, Hi everyone. Uh, I'm gonna take the screen na. Hi. I'm yeah. All right. So, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Erwin. So, so for this session, I'm gonna teach you how to use the ThingsPH platform para sa inyong mga Arduino projects. First of all, I'm Erwin. I am the CIO and co-founder of ThingsPH. We're a startup. Na-incorporate kami last 2019. We provide IoT solutions, and we also have an, a platform for your IoT applications. So, ano yung platform namin? We have a developer-friendly platform. So, for engineers and developers, ito yung best gamitin para madali nyong ma-visualize yung devices nyo. So, meron kaming ino-offer na madaming uh, charts for different types of visualizations. And then we also have integrations to different uh, pro- protocols. So may MQTT tayo. As you know, MQTT yung medyo popular na integration for IoT devices. So, and then we have HTTP. We also have LoRaWAN or Wi-Fi. LoRaWAN and Wi-Fi, I mean. So, and then actually you can develop prototypes in minutes using our platform. So, ano yung gagawin natin for the entire session? So, we're going to create an account in ThingsPH. I-onboard natin yung ating device. So, and then i-visualize natin yung data. And then from the platform then, I'm going to show you how to control yung device nyo. And then I'll show you other features ng platform. So, before anything else, ito yung, if you can see this, so ito yung sample board natin. It's composed of a TTGO, ano rin siya, Arduino compatible na board din siya. So I have a push button which simulates a panic button, and then a sonar sensor, and then a simple LED na mamaya kokontrolin natin via the platform. So, yan. And then, para may idea rin kayo kung anong mangyayari. So, ito yung diagram. So, you have your device and our platform. So, when sending telemetries to the platform, so yung device will connect to ThingsPH platform via MQTT. And then it's going to send a JSON document kung ano yung mga nag-gather na telemetries, and then send it to ThingsPH. So that's how sending telemetries works. And then for receiving commands naman, so ThingsPH will, so your device is actually always connected to ThingsPH via MQTT. So when someone presses a button in ThingsPH or moves a slider, so magsisend si ThingsPH ng document naman from things to your device. So in the same way, JSON document din to. And then pag nakarating sa device nyo, so bahala niya na yung device, bahala niya yung device nyo mag-interpret ng command and then mag-act accordingly. So sa sample natin, magbibigay yung ThingsPH ng RGB LED na command from 5 to 10 and then yung device naman magpapalit ng ilaw later on. Depende sa number na binigay ni ThingsPH. So let's start. So ito yung sketch ng ating board. So, it's open source naman. So, open source naman. Bibigay ko yung link so you can download it later. So, for now, I'll show you how to modify the configuration, and then yung modify natin yung configuration, and then later on i-upload natin yung build sketch, and then i-visualize natin siya sa platform. So I have here yung kung nakikita to. So I have here yung Wi-Fi SSID dito, and then yung password, and then yung MQTT username and password. And then, yung MQTT username and password, you can get it here. So, sa platform, if you've created the account, you can see the MQTT settings dito. So, ulit, add device, and then sa MQTT broker, and then username and password, and then put it sa configuration, and then bale, this one, it tells ko ano yung magiging pangalan ng device. So, let's name it Arduino Day 03 kasi may mga test na ako kanina. So, yan. Ang gagawin natin ngayon is rebuild natin yung config. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, this is Visual Studio Code. So, ang gamit ko kasi pang develop is Platform IO. But, yung source code naman is meron tayo for Arduino. So, medyo mas, medyo mas comfortable lang kami gumamit ng VS Code and then Platform IO. So, na-build ko na yung configuration, and then i-upload ko yung config sa board. So, it's uploaded. So, na-upload na yung config sa board. So, ngayon naman, bibuild ko yung actual sketch. So, build lang natin. Show ko pala yung device kasi magre-restart siya mamaya after ko i-upload. So, i-upload ko ngayon yung sketch since na-build na siya. So, i-upload natin. So, magre-restart. So, ulit. Hold on. So, yan. Nag-try na siya mag-upload. Hindi pala nakikita. Sorry. So, yan. So, nag-restart na yung device. And then, nag-try mag-connect sa Wi-Fi. And then, mag-connect siya sa MQTT ni ThingsPH. So, right now, makikita nyo sa serial monitor, nagsisend na siya ng data. So, yung sonar is, so pag nilapit ko sa wall, hindi kasi nakikita, sorry. So, pag nilapit ko siya sa wall, bumababa yung distance, and then, pag nilalayo ko siya sa wall, tumataas naman yung distance. So, itatry natin to i-visualize so, kung meron kayong gantong device, itatry natin siya i-visualize sa ThingsPH. So, since automatic siyang nagsisend sa ThingsPH, so pag na-refresh natin yung device list, supposedly nandito na siya. So, andito na yung Arduino Day 03 na device, and then yung mga sinesend niya, mga telemetries. So, from there, So ito yung normal na view ng device, pero pwede tayong gumawa ng dashboard para medyo mas interactive. So, create tayo. Pangalanan natin siya. And then, itry natin i-visualize yung panic kasi sinesend din ng device natin yung panic button. So, piliin ko yung Arduino Day 3 and then piliin ko yung panic. And then, add. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is i-press ko yung panic button. So, hopefully, makita natin agad. So, yan. So, nag-send yung panic button. So, yun, wala. So, medyo may delay. And anyway, so, pag nandun na siya, makikita naman natin siya. So, we can add another panel, single panel. So, visualizing din yung data na nare-receive natin dun from panic button. So, right now, 0 pa rin yung nare-receive niya. So, yun talaga problema pag nagde-demo eh. Hindi nag-work. So, okay. So, let's try to visualize naman yung distance. So, hold on lang. May konting may konting technical issues. So, balik lang tayo sa dashboard. And then, yun. So, yun. So, yan. So, nagre-respond na yung charts. So, itry naman natin i-visualize yung distance na nare-receive natin. So, add ako ng panel. And then, I'll pick naman yung distance. And then, add it. So, hopefully, nagsisend yung distance. Mali ba yung... Yung nagsisend. Oh, shit. Okay, so buti na lang may nag-ano sa akin na hindi pala real-time panel yung pinili ko. So, yun. So, I wasn't picking yung real-time panel. So, yan, yung issue natin. Buti na lang may savior. Alright, so, ngayon I pick the distance. So, makikita mo if nilapit ko yung sonar sa wall. So, nilalapit ko siya ngayon sa wall. And then, ilalayo ko. So, makikita nyo nag-move yung charts. So, hopefully mag-move. Yan. So, ganun. And then, pwede ko rin i-display yung current value niya. So, distance, add panel. Yan. Yan. So, another thing na you can do with the platform is yung tinatawag nating enrichment ng data. So right now ang binibigay lang ni device is panic button. I mean, yung panic button status and then yung distance. So usually kasi, I mean, theoretically pwede mong gamitin tong device na to as kunyari flood level monitor. So para ma-visualize nyo, maglalagay tayo ng diagram. So kunyari, ito yung device, ito yung sensor, di ba? And then, may body of water ka sa ibabaw. Ito yung river bed. Tapos ito yung binibigay na distance. So, mako-compute mo yung flood level. So, di ba? Kasi yung flood level is equals to yung distance from the sensor to the river bed minus yung actual na distance na binibigay ni sonar sensor. So, so every time na nagsisend ng distance yung sonar sensor sa atin, ang gagawin natin, automatically i-compute naman natin yung flood level. So ganito ang mangyayari. So yung device magsisend ng distance is equals to 5 kay ThingsPH. The ThingsPH naman automatically ita-transform yung data para yung distance is 20 minus 5, magkakaroon ng flood level na 15. So, let's do this dito sa devices natin. So, medyo magko-code tayo ng konti. Konting code lang naman to. So, simple lang naman. So, I hope nabasa pa to. So, pag may distance, pag may data.payload fields.distance, automatic mag-attach tayo ng data.payload fields.flood level, which is equal to, kunyari, 20 minus data.payload fields.distance. So, yan. Try natin i-run. So, tama naman. So, ang current distance ngayon is 26 minus flood level. So, since umaakyat tayo ng 26, so subukan natin yung 30 na lang. Kunyari, 30 para positive pa rin yung natin, yung flood level. So, ganun. So, save. Tapos, balik lang natin yung para makita. Yan. So, antayin lang natin mag-send ng distance yung device. And then later on, yan. So, nag-send na siya ng bago. So, punta tayo sa dashboard. This time, supposedly, meron na tayong bagong telemetry na makikita, which is yung flood level. So, subukan natin. So, Arduino day. And then, ayun, may flood level na tayo. So, tama naman, real time yung napili ko. Yan. Yan. So difference is, pangalanan natin to, this is distance. Ito naman ay flood level. Yeah. So kung mapapansin mo, opposite yung dalawa gagalaw. Wait. Yan. So opposite yung dalawa. Pag nilapit ko yung board sa wall, so parang lumalapit yung tubig sa kanya, so tataas yung flood level. So makikita mo tumataas yung flood level. Pag nilayo ko naman kunyari yung body of water sa device, so ang mangyayari naman is bababa yung flood level, tataas yung distance. So pero mas interested tayo sa flood level, so bumaba yung flood level nung lumayo yung body of water sa ating device. So try din natin i-display yung single panel nito. Yung single panel ng flood. I mean flood level pala. Yan. So this time, pwede natin gawa ng thresholds to. So yung thresholds kasi babaguhin niya yung kulay ng babaguhin niya yung kulay ng panel. So kunyari, ang flood level mo is dumating ng 10, warning na, or dumating ng 20, critical na. So add natin. So yan, since negative pa yung ating negative pa yung ating flood level, so green siya. So supposedly pag lumapit siya maging 10, magkukulay dilaw. And then so ano ba yung natin, 15 ba? Nakalimutan ko yung critical threshold. So pag nag-critical is magiging red siya. Yan. And then, so yun yung ating tinatawag. Yun yung visualization natin ng device. So, yung device pa lang yung nagsisend sa platform. So, ngayon naman, I'll show you how to control naman yung device. So, if mareremember nyo sa sa diagrams natin. So, balik tayo sa diagram. So, ThingsPH naman ngayon ang magsisend ng data sa device. So, and then device naman ngayon ang magpo-parse ng data, and then yung device ang mag-act accordingly. So, babaguhin natin, in short, babaguhin lang naman natin yung LED light color depende sa sinend ng platform. So, since yung device natin is of type pylon, so meron na kasi tong devices, pero I mean meron tong controls, pero actually you can create more controls. So punta na tayo sa dashboard. So i-add natin yung controls. So may table of controls tayo dito. So for now, idadagdag ko yung RGB slider na control. So yan. So meron tayo dito RGB slider. So hopefully gumana. Wait lang. So kailangan, ito kasi yung device na i-control natin. So yan. So yung LED light dapat magbago pag minob ko yung So yan. So nakita niya, nagbago yung nag-act. Kita ba yung LED light? Hindi mo kita yung LED light eh. Yan. So move natin ulit sa ibang Yan. Masyadong yan. Blue naman siya ngayon. Blue. Then 10. Then red. Yan. So that's how you control the device from ThingsPH. So gagawa ka lang ng controls and then connect yung device via MQTT, and then pag na-receive mo yung yung data from ThingsPH, so pwede ka pwede mong i-program yung device para gawin yung gusto mong gawin pag na-receive yung data. So, kompleto na tayo. Meron na tayong sending ng telemetries, and then meron na rin tayong controls. So, ngayon naman, I'll give you a tour around yung mga other options. I mean, other charts na meron yung ThingsPH. So, piliin lang muna natin yung device. And then, pili. And then, time range is, oops. And then, group lang natin. Yan. So, meron tayong line. So, yung real time yung ginagamit natin kanina. Meron din tayong bar charts. And then, meron tayong pie charts, donut, polar. And then, sa mga single naman, sa mga single dyan, yung single panel natin, yung real time na ginagamit natin kanina, may gauge, linear, and then meron din tayong meter. And then for mapping purposes naman, kung ang device nyo is nag for mapping, so may indoor mapping tayo, so you can upload yung map mo, and then it's going to show you yung yung kinalalagyan ng device dun sa map. So, meron din tayong geomap. So, for indoor mapping kasi sa loob ng mga buildings to. For geomap naman, if nag-move yung device mo sa sa location, so you can use this map naman. So, simple lang naman to. So, i-show niya kung asan yung device. Depende sa geolocation ng device. So, makikita mo sa mapa yung device. If yung mo naman, if yung application mo naman is for actual na tracking, yung gusto mong may nakikitang mga tails kung saan dumaan yung device, you would use naman yung geo-tracking. And then we have tables, and then tables of devices, and then controls. So kung may mga available na controls for that device, so lalabas dito. And then, so, let me see kung ano pang so, I think that's it. So, yung code, ibibigay ko yung so free gamitin yung platform for up to 10 devices pala. So, you can sign up. Bibigay ko yung link sa ating organizers. So, ito yung link sa sketch, and then yung app is nasa console.things.ph. So, yeah. If you have, that's it for my talk. So, if you have any questions, we can use na yung yung remaining time for Q&A.
Yes po, sir. So, ayan, marami na po tayong questions from our participants, sir, sa ating FB Live. So, meron pong nagtanong, sir, si Angela Elaine Jacinto. Tanong niya po, what is the code for integrating Arduino and Visual Studio, sir? Tanong po niya kanina.
Actually, ang ginagamit ko is platform IO. So, madali na. It's just an extension sa It's just an extension sa Visual Studio Code. So, pag nagpunta ka ng extensions, i-search mo yung platform IO. So, makikita mo yan doon. So, sa question naman kung paano gamitin, I think marami namang tutorial online. Pero, yeah, simple lang naman siyang gamitin.
Okay po, sir. So, next naman, sir, meron pong question regarding naman po sa ThingsPH. Tanong po niya, what is the limitation of ThingsPH for free account, or is this full free account, sir?
Walang ang pinaka-limitation for free account is you have a limit of 10 devices. And then may limit din sa number of telemetries na pwede mong i-report in a minute. So, yun lang naman yung limitations niya.
Okay po. We have another one from Jason Siegfried. Di ko lang basahin. Pero ang question niya po is, for larger projects or applications po, ilang messages per day ang capacity at update rates?
we may ano tayo So sa free kasi yung limitations. Yung free account lang naman ang may limitations. If you need more frequency ng reporting, so contact nyo lang kami, and then uh, our will give you a quotation kung ano yung need nyo ba talaga, kasi for maraming devices, so you need, for malaking volume, we will need to refer you sa namin, sa sales namin.
Okay, ayan. I hope, sir, nasagot ni sir ang question mo. And now, nasan pa ba? Maraming questions. Di ako makapili kung anong babasahin natin ito. Ito, sir. Accurate po kaya yung location sa geomap o need pa po ng GPS module for much more accurate GPS location?
So, yung geomap natin, kumbaga, ano lang siya, so dinidisplay niya lang kung asan yung devices mo. Pero yung data is manggagaling talaga sa devices. Accurate yung map natin, pero para ma-display mo siya ng accurate, kailangan yung device mo, yung GPS module mo, accurate yung binibigay na na location data.
Okay po, sir. Medyo marami lang pa tayong questions, sir. Medyo free pa naman po yung time. Next po,
Yep.
okay po. Ask ko lang po kung website lang po yung Arduino o meron din pong apps.
Yung Arduino, if you're talking about yung sketch ko, so if you can visit yung naka-present pa ba ako? So I'm not sure kasi kung naka-present pa ako eh.
Yes
So,
po, sir. We can see it po.
so kung naka-present pa ako, so visit nyo lang tong na to, website, gitlab/ThingsPH pylon X1. So, eto na mismo yung sketch nung ginagamit ko kanina. So, may for Arduino dito, ang ginagamit ko kasi is for platform.io, and then yung sensor TTGo. So, pag dinownload mo yung buong na to, yung buong file na to, ito na yung buong sketch nung app na ginagamit ko. Pati yung ano bang tawag dito, diagram nung board. So pwede mong yung board na to, yung schematics niya nandito rin. So tingnan natin. So for TTGo, ito yung schematics niya. So you can build kung ano yung nandito ngayon. Nandyan yung schematics sa link, and then pati yung sketch niya. So mare-replicate mo kung ano yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Alright.
Okay. So, another question po. Applicable po ba ito sa real-world setup or for prototyping lang po?
Yung platform namin is ginagamit namin for real-world applications. So, may mga clients kami na ginagamit yung platform for actual devices talaga. And then this one it's just a prototype, pero kung titingnan mo, marami siyang applications. Katulad niya, yung sinabi ko is yung flood level monitoring. So pwede mo siyang i-install sa ibabaw ng body of water, sa bridge, para ma-sense mo yung yung flood level, or kung kunyari kailangan mo ng panic button, so you can use yung panic button feature nito. Hindi ko pala na-mention kanina sa sa ThingsPH, we have this feature na tinatawag na incidents. So kunyari nag-click ka ng panic button, so sa ThingsPH, may option kami na you can create an alert pag nag-breach yung telemetry at sa certain threshold, and then it can send you an alert either via email or via Slack, and then so wala pang SMS, pero it's going to be in the pipeline. So yan.
Okay po, another question po, sir. Paano po sir kung hindi po compatible sa Wi-Fi? Pwede rin po ba gamitin sa LAN cable?
LAN cable. Alam ko yung yung board, yung Arduino, meron namang Ethernet shield yun, di ba? So pwede mong gamitin yun kasi yung ThingsPH platform naman doesn't care kung saan ka nakakonect, kung via Wi-Fi ba o via Ethernet or via GSM mobile. As long as may internet yung device mo, makakonect ka sa ThingsPH. Yan.
Okay po. Ayan, we still have 5 minutes pa. Okay pa naman po tayo, sir? Okay. So, next question po, sir, is, good day po. Gaano po kabilis mag-process and ang Arduino Nano gamit ang photodiode para matrigger ang servo motor?
hindi hindi yata para sa akin yung question na yan. Sorry. Hindi ko masasagot yun kasi
Okay po.
more software
Okay po.
ako than hardware.
Okay po, sir. So, another questions po, sir, is, can we use ThingsPH platform in mobile po?
Hindi siya ngayon for mobile, pero may ini-start na kami. Yung website mismo, ah, hindi siya, anong tawag doon sa, nakalimutan ko tuloy yung, hindi masyado maganda mag-render sa mobile, but may ginagawa kaming mobile app para naman doon sa gusto mag-access via mobile. Yan.
Sir, ayan, medyo po marami po kasi yung question regarding hardware, kung compatible daw po ba yung node. Okay lang po bang sagutin niyo po yun, sir? Or ano po, hindi niyo po
Well, pasensya nyo na kasi more software developer ako than hardware. So,
Yes.
hindi ko talaga masasagot yung ibang questions.
Okay po. Ito po, meron po question. Pwede daw po ba yung Arduino Uno board?
Yep, oo. Kasi yung Titigo naman is Arduino compatible. So, supposedly, yung mag-work dito is mag-work din sa Uno boards nyo. Although, syempre, kailangan nyo ng internet. So, tawag dito yung Uno Wi-Fi or kailangan mo ng Ethernet shield or yan. Kasi kailangan mo mag-internet para mag-work yung sketch.
Okay po. So, sir, meron pong nagtanong, ano po pagkakaiba ng ThingsPH sa Tinkercad?
Ano ba yun? Wait, research ko muna. CAD? You mean CAD? Sorry.
Tinkercad po. Opo.
Sorry, hindi ako familiar eh. But 3-digit, it's a CAD. Well, primarily hindi naman kami CAD. So, kami, visualization platform. So, kung may mga telemetries ka, may device ka nagsisend ng telemetries, you can visualize it using our platform. Or kung gusto mong mag-send ng data from our platform to your device para makontrol yung device mo, yun yung ginagawa ng platform namin. So, we don't design. So, yan. So, primarily kasi yung CAD is for drawing, di ba? So, we're not doing that. So, yeah.
Thank you po, sir. So, siguro, sir, we're down to our last two questions po.
Wait lang pala. So, sorry. May hindi ko pala na-show kanina. So, you can actually view yung dashboard na ginagawa ko. So, yung people na, kung gusto mo i-share yung dashboard na to, without people logging into ThingsPH, pwede ka mag-create ng public dashboard. So, share ko na lang to sa mods. So, yun. So, if you visit the link, you can actually see yung public dashboard, yung dashboard na ginawa ko. So, ito yung makikita nyo. And then, actually, you can control yung device galing dyan sa dashboard na yan. Alright? So, yan. So, ito yung dashboard na makikita nyo. So, from here, you can actually control yung So, kung gusto nyo gawin, kontrolin nyo yung LED lights nito sa mga gawa nyo from that public link. Meron na nga, kinokontrol na nga nila. Alright. Yeah,
Okay po, sir.
that's it.
So, down to our last two questions po, sir. Okay lang po.
Alright.
Okay po. Is this compatible to any telemetry radio po?
I'm not sure dun sa radio na hindi ako familiar dun sa radio na, I mean, alam ko yung radio na term, pero when combined dun sa telemetry, hindi, basta, ang ano ko lang is, doesn't matter kung anong device ka nanggagaling, kung sa radio or kasi may support din kami for LoRaWAN, which is radio. So, it doesn't matter kung galing ka ng radio, galing ka ng Wi-Fi. So, as long as masend mo sa amin yung telemetries, so, may visualize mo yan.
Okay po, sir. And for our last question po, sir, any tips or references to improve software developing skills?
Software development. Of course, practice. So, matinding practice talaga ang software development. So, may mga online courses, YouTube tutorials, pero more than that, it's actually problem solving and then practice and practice and practice. So, kasi ang pinaka-teacher sa software development is experience.
Okay,
Right.
and with that, okay na po ba, sir? Or...
Alright.
Okay po. Sir, before we end, do you have any closing message po for our viewers?
Alright. Thank you for listening to the talk. So, the fact na nandito kayo is you're on the right path kasi it means that you are pro innovation. So, so innovate and innovate. So, para in the future naman kasi tayo ang para sa atin yung innovation. So, sa ating future engineers and software developers, practice lang ng practice and gain experience. So, and then sa ThingsPH pala, so you can sign up, it's free naman. So, and then if you have questions, shoot na lang ng email sa namin, sa info@ThingsPH or kahit directly sa akin, Erwin@ThingsPH. Alright.
Okay, thank you so much. Once again, thank you so much, Sir Erwin. And for everyone, be sure to to check